Python membership operators. In Python, in and not in are the membership operators. They are used to test whether a value or variable is found in a sequence: string, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. In a dictionary, we can only test for presence of key and not value. Let's check this out. So I'm going to create a variable, let's call it message. So in message, let's just say hello world. Then let's also create a dictionary. I'll call it dict1. And inside of it, let's just create a key, a simple key and simple value. So A, key 1, A, value A, key 2, and value B. So let's test the first one out. Let's check for something inside of the string. So let's say print H in message. That is, we are trying to see if there is capital letter H inside of our message. Okay? But I have to put that in quotes. All right. So we are checking if we have capital letter H inside of our message. You and I know we have it. So can you guess what the response is? It should be true. And as you can see, it says true. What if we try something else? What if we want to check for small letter hello in message? Do we have that? I don't think so. So let's see our response. It's false, because even though we have hello by pronunciation, but they don't match, because we are checking for small letter H hello, whereas we have big letter H hello. Let's also check for some lost letters. So let's just say RL. Do we have RL inside of in the message hello world? Let's confirm. True. Yes, we do. Where? Inside of world. So after WO you have RL, and yes, you see RL can be shown here. So also we could do the not in. So what if we say small letter world not in message? Can you tell me what the response is? Yeah, if you said true, you are correct. Why? It is true because even though we have world, but their first letters are in capital letter and small letter. The next one we should check out now is the dictionary. Remember, we mentioned earlier that in the dictionary you cannot check for values, you can only check for key. So let's see, print, and we want to check for, let's say, 1 in dict1. Okay? Print 1 in oh sorry, so we have to put that in quotes again. I tend to forget my quotes a lot. It says false, we shouldn't be, since I didn't save previously. Clear? Good. So now print 1 in dict1. Okay, if you put it in quote, it turns it to a string, but we are not dealing with the string, we are dealing with the key 1. As you can see, 1 can be found inside of dict1, so it is true. What if we check for A? Remember, we cannot check for the value. So you see, if I save this and run it, it's false because we don't have A as a key. Instead, it is a value. Okay, so this is it in the membership operators in Python, where you use the in and not in to check if a value or a variable can be found inside of a sequence, which can be a string, a list, a tuple, a set, and a dictionary. So thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.